Beijing Hyundai officially announced 7 color options for its new all-electric SUV, the Yiou, on October 2nd. The new vehicle is available in 7 colors: Dusk Purple, Cyber Silver, Pearl White, Turquoise Blue, Matte White, Pearl Black, and Camouflage Gray. It is Beijing Hyundai's first all-electric platform SUV. It is built on Hyundai Motor's Global Electric Vehicle-Specific Platform, E-GMP. Its exterior design is simple and elegant. The front features a cross-style light strip composed of pixel modules, and split matrix headlights are located on either side. The body features numerous understated designs on the sides. The swept-down roof, combined with the smoked A-pillar and the full rear fender design, lend a sporty touch to the body. The gray trim, which slopes toward the rear near the triangular window on the D-pillar, adds further elegance to the body. The new car's body dimensions are 4615/1875/1675, 1698 mm in length, width, and height, with a wheelbase of 2,750 mm. The rear end design mirrors the front. The taillights, extending from the inside out, adopt the same pixel module design language as the easily recognizable headlights when illuminated. The drive motor, with a peak power of 160 kilowatts, is manufactured by Vitesco Automotive Electronics Company, limited as the EM16 model. Regarding battery and range information, according to previous announcements by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, the new vehicle can be equipped with batteries of different capacities, such as 64.2/64.2/88.1/88.1/88.1 kilowatt-hour, corresponding to CLTC ranges of 518/540/590/692/722 km.